Rocks come from water. Really, they do. More precisely, they are formed in a water environment as dissolved minerals come out of solution. This is some man-made quartz. It is identical to natural occurring quartz. Here it is before growing, and here it is 1 day later. It is doubled in size. This quartz grew in a water environment. It was formed in an autoclave. An autoclave simulates the high-pressure, hot water environment that all silica-based rocks dissolve and reform in. Just like salt can dissolve in water at surface pressures and temperatures, silica, or quartz, will also dissolve in water once the conditions are correct. It needs a great deal of heat and a great deal of pressure in a miles-deep water environment. Silicon quartz is the second most common mineral and is a component in more than 80% of the rocks in the Earth's crust. We know from autoclave trials that quartz forms in deep, hot water. Therefore, the continental crust also formed in a deep, hot water environment. The Earth is much like a geode full of water. Modern science's magma planet theory is wrong. We live on a water-based planet. Here is Saturn's moon Titan. Water makes up 50% of this sphere. It is a water-based sphere just like Earth. Naturally occurring quartz and synthetic quartz or man-made quartz have identical properties. They have the same hardness, density, light refraction, thermal conductivity, melting point, electrical conductivity, and other piezoelectric properties. All the same stuff. We know nature's recipe. Quartz dissolves and reforms in a hot water, high pressure environment similar to dissolving sugar into hot water, crystallizing into hard candy as the sugar comes out of solution. The formation of rocks is a very simple process. Rocks form quickly in a deep, hot water environment. The million-year theories have never been demonstrated. We know nature's recipe. We know how rocks dissolve into solution and are reformed out of that same solution. Some interesting implications. Well, guess what? Most fossils are rocks, and we know how these are formed in a water environment. So guess how the fossils were made. Ever heard of the Great Flood? These are some of the things I learned in the Universal Model of New Millennial Science. I would take a look. Thanks for watching.